This video is about the coherence map and also the progressions. And so if you just simply type in your favorite search bar, coherence map, achievethecore.org, you'll get to these types of websites. I did provide it on a link on our module. So the coherence map is basically about the progressions, and it shows the connections between the standards in our framework. So to get started, this is a highlight and an overview. Here are all the grade levels, including high school. We can map a standard or map a progression of a standard throughout the grade levels and the domain. So here's third grade. I'm going to focus on operations and algebraic thinking. This is the classic multiplication standard, the first multiplication standard for third grade. Students are to interpret 5 times 7 as the total number of objects in groups, 5 groups of 7 each. And so that's the standard that's there. Just to trigger your memory, remember you can click map standard, and once we map standard, a lot of things happen here at one time. What's underneath are example tasks, so you have an example idea of how that standard works. Down here at the bottom you do have the progressions document. You could actually open that and download that document. Don't know why it just jumped, but you could download that document. It's a very dense document, very rich, which is what the progressions or the coherence map is made from. So on third grade OA1, if I'd like to, I could just click to zoom out a bit. I can see how third grade OA1 relates to other standards. By hovering over third grade OA1, you can see all the black lines, and those black lines are going to various standards, both within the grade level and up the grade level. You can see how third grade OA1 is very important as we move forward in the standards, but then we can also look going backwards how it's supported in second grade and actually all the way to first grade. So this is how we can actually actualize our coherence map. So if I clicked on third grade OA1, I could come over here and decide if I want to go to second grade OAC3. This is odd or even. If a student could figure out if they're odd or if a number is odd or even. I could also go back to third grade OA1 and let's say go to second grade OAC4. And when I click on that, this one is the classic arrays. This is really about students being able to do repeated addition up to 5 rows and 5 columns. There's a supporting standard in second grade. And then we can follow it all the way back to first grade. Click on first grade there. Here's the first grade standard. And this one is really about whether or not kids are able to add or subtract and using the signs, etc. And again, there's all sorts of activities that students could do in here to support that. And just again, noticing that we have part of the show it, of build it, show it, know it. These are supposed to be blocks. You could actually have, kids could have these blocks or these rods. Now these are pictures of rods. These are numbers of rods. So build it, show it, know it. Again, this is the show it part. If you gave the kids the rods, it's actually the build it. Okay, now let's just remember we have 1 OAD7, first grade OAD7 builds towards, as we learned, to second grade OAC4. That C represents the target or cluster, so refer back to that other lecture. And then third grade OA1, this is third grade OA1, it's target A1. So those are 3 standards, and on this next video I'm going to show you how you can actualize coherence and what you learned on the progression